Well, you heard the saying, it takes a village to raise a child. Students from Blake High School are taking it to heart. Every Tuesday and Thursday, they walk down to Just Elementary to affect the lives of students there. And their effort is making a big difference. And tonight, they are what's right with Tampa Bay.
You gotta take the 3, which is your whole number.
This is one of the best times of the day for Quentin Nichols and Antonius Bagwell. They are working together on Antonius's homework.
So we're gonna do...
Quentin has been helping this 11-year-old at Just Elementary as part of a program called the Urban Teaching Academy at Blake High School in Tampa.
Yeah, so the practice problem.
Quentin is a junior and he wants to be a teacher, and this has been a great way to get started.
Just so I can get comfortable with the environment of being in a position where I can help somebody.
And for Antonius, he not only has a mentor who he adores, but better grades as well.
One day, Quentin came and helped me, and next thing you know, I just passed the test.
So our answer is
16.
Heather Bradshaw is also a mentor with the Urban Teaching Academy, and she's a senior at Blake and wants to teach kindergarten or first grade.
I love being here. It's a wonderful experience. The kids are amazing, and I just love watching them grow.
They're getting involved in.
And Carolyn Hill is also so touched by the differences these kids make in her students' lives. She is the principal at Just Elementary, and she knows having the influence of a smart, caring high school student can make a world of difference for these kids.
I think the kids can relate to them really positively because they are young, and the kids that are in the program are just really dedicated and hardworking, so it works out well for our school.
Definitely a win-win for everybody involved. You bet it is. The program is a collaboration with Quest, Blake Magnet Urban Teaching Academy, and Just Elementary School.
What a great program that is.
You know it. Kids are getting A's, and the student teachers are going to go on to college to be teachers.
TMZ is coming up. See you later.